How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gannon, future President of the United States of America? And I've been on vacation for the last week here, and we have this lovely pool down here. And we've been in this house before, but this pool is always a little cold. So this is what I did this time to make it a little warmer this trip. And if you have the same stuff, it might help you out. So what I have here is your standard. I bought it on Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description. It only works when it's you have to have it submerged when it's plugged in, just so you know. The pump here, and it pumps water from the pool through this. I got 50 feet of vinyl tubing. Plugged it right in. It has suction cups, so you suck it right down here. Boom. All right. And luckily, sometimes it falls off, but you tie this up and it's fine. Grab something. Make sure it doesn't fall down. The water comes through this tube right here. Over here. And then we got a hot tub going here. So the water coils in here, heats up through the tube, right? And then comes back out to the other side. Here, let me see if I can get plugged in so you can see how the pump works and the flow rate. So plug it in here. You get the flow rate. You see the flow rate just coming out like this. But this water is a couple degrees warmer than the pool. We have it running 24/7. Within a day or two, heats it up a couple degrees, 5 degrees in here. Makes it nice. So just leave it running all the time, and it helps keep this pool nice and warm while we're on vacation. All right. So this is Sean again, President of the United States of America, signing off.